Hello everybody. How are you guys doing today? It is actually nighttime. It's daylight savings time now, and it's about 7:30. So I'm out in the garden, actually transporting. I've been dropping some seeds, and I am going to start transporting all of my some of my some of my starts into the ground. So I'm gonna turn you guys around and we're gonna get started. Okay guys, so this is the area that I am going to be planting in. That's my friend barking, y'all. I guess he don't recognize me because I ain't been out all season. You know it's me. So actually I'm going to be coming down to this area this time. This area has been sitting here, just resting, not doing nothing, and I'm going to be planting my okra in this area underneath all of these leaves. So we're gonna jump right in. All right, y'all, so I am going to get these situated the way I want them. He didn't start barking until I start recording, y'all. I'm gonna get these situated the way I want them and then plant them in because the sun is starting to go down on me, y'all. So I'm going to get them the way that I want them. And this one actually has 3 starts in it. So I think that's the way I'm going to put them in there. Yep, looks good. And let me get my garden tone. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dig. I don't know what's in there. Move these leaves out of the way. And I'm going to throw a handful of garden tone in there. And I'm just going to take my plant. I'm going to dig a little bit deeper. I done. So I done bent the just like that. I done bent my shovel. All right, so that's one. Put this sign right there. We'll do the next one. All right, I'm gonna drop a handful of garden tone in this one. Then I'm gonna take it out of the container and put him in there. Push him down a little bit and then cover him back in. Make sure I put those leaves back on top to keep it moist. That is my second okra plant. All right, let me see. Okay, we still doing good. So get my garden tone, handful, throw it in the hole, and then I'm going to take this, pop him out. He don't come out as easy as the other containers. Oh God. Okay. So he did not come out as easy as the other containers. And then I'm going to water these in once I finish. So guys, I think it's kind of dark now. So I'm gonna hurry. Okay, so 2 more to go. Garden tone. Alright, and then, oh shoot. So this one has 3 in here. I'm not gonna do this one tonight. I will do this one in the morning. So guys, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It is definitely getting dark on me tonight. So that is the garden, the okra. There's 5 of them so far. Tomorrow I will come back and do the rest of them. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Share me with your friends and your family. And until I see you guys in the next video, peace. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is the next day and I am out here bright and early in the morning, and we had a thunderstorm, rainstorm, tornado warning last night. But the garden is looking good, and I'm about to finish planting these okras. So let's jump right in. All right, guys, so there you see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 okra plants, and I still have some more to go. All right, guys, so thank you for watching this video. Once again, if you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I upload more videos. Share me with your friends and your family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And when I see you again, until I see you again, peace.